The day has come, ladies and gentlemen. The day has come. Finally, I got some time to mess with the hatch, man. And today, what I'm gonna be doing is wire brushing the whole thing, because I messed up not doing, not spraying it, clear coating it or primer. Could have done good, but I messed up not doing it, so now I gotta do it because it looks pretty disgusting. And also I'm gonna finally be changing this fuel rail to the one that the Brody Murph, it's the Murphington hooked it up when I went to New York. Your boy blessed me. Yeah, but this is for a B20 or LS or whatever, so you know, whoever want that, let me know. That's for sale. Well, we'll start it so as something so simple. Now is it so simple? Well, this is how far I got with it, but the batteries died, so I'm charging the other battery that I have. Meanwhile, I told myself, oh, all right, let's change the fuel rail. One of the 10 millimeters falls down. Now I don't know if it fell where the belt is, so now I gotta take this off because the freaking bolt, it's not on the floor, man. I've looked for it already. Another thing that could possibly happen, it fell in the alternator, because I already measured this little 10 millimeter thing, and it can actually, it fits through that, those slots. So yeah. Now I gotta take out the alternator and then take out the pulley and then take out the cover to see if the screw's in there. So I think that's what happened. Okay, so the alternator's out. This was a little bit easier because I don't have no half shaft there, so I basically just put it through, right? Heads up though, I completely forgot, didn't think about it. Once I took off the thing, I don't know why I didn't put it here. I just let it go. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, so once I let it go, believe it or not, this thing hit the ground and look what came out, the 10 millimeter bolt. So I'm happy that it was in here and not in the belt, so I'm satisfied with that one. Now we'll keep going with the fuel rail. Oh shit, I don't think that fuel rail. Nope. No sir. No sirski. Nah, shit. I gotta. Oh fuck! To run that. To run that fuel rail, I'm gonna have to figure out what lines to run. Huh. Well, if you think about it, to be honest with you, this fuel rail never did nothing bad to me, you know what I mean? I think I should just leave it alone, leave that one there. It's not like I'm boosting. Alright, so everything's back on. I decided to put the alternator back on. If it ain't broken, don't need to be fixed. I left the fuel rail a little bit loose because I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. It's my first time actually doing a fuel rail setup like that. The other car that came with that was the GSR that I bought off my boy Juan, my EK Coupe. Crazy car. That car was built. He built that car really good. But yeah, other than that, I gotta learn how to, I guess, run steel lines or whatever, because that one has like a, it's like a connector you have to plug into the fuel rail. Anyway, I want to keep going with the mount so I can make it look good at least.